So I'm just gonna play, watching I go away, Dr. Play, watching I go away, Dr. Play, watching I go away.
Hello. Welcome back, guys. We're here for another video. This time, I'm doing a nice little tropical twist, a very refreshing drink when made into a juice. But this is something that I had an idea about going to a very popular restaurant, and I actually seen on one of the drink dispensers the combination of these fruits, and I thought, maybe, just maybe, this would make a nice wine. So I'm presenting to you guys Agave Isles Lemonade. And for this, we are going to use some Agave organic light agave, which is 100% blue agave. We're going to be using probably about 2 pounds of organic raw cane sugar, 1 gallon of water, and we're going to juice about 3 pounds of lemon, which comes in about 16 ounces of juice. We're using Red Star Premier Blanc for the yeast for this one, and black tea for the tannin for this one. And of course, our lemons is going to also serve as our acid for this one, guys. But I hope you enjoy, and we're going to get right into this process. Be right back with you.